Hello everyone. So here in this video we have to evaluate limit x tends to 1 x minus 1 raised to x minus 1. Now before starting with the solution I will assume the given limit as L. So here I will say let L equal to limit x tends to 1 x minus 1 raised to x minus 1. Now first of all, we'll substitute the given limit, that is x tends to 1, and we'll check whether we are getting indeterminate form or the finite value. And if we are getting the indeterminate form, then we'll apply the L'Hopital's rule to get the finite value of the limit. So if I'll substitute x as 1 over here, then we'll get 1 minus 1, that is 0, and 1 minus 1, that is 0. So it means here we are getting the form 0 raised to 0, which is called as indeterminate form, and hence we have to apply the L'Hopital's rule. Now according to L'Hopital's rule, we find the derivative of numerator and denominator separately till we get the finite value of the limit. So first of all, I need to convert the given function from the form a raised to b to numerator upon denominator. So to bring this function into form numerator upon denominator, I will take log on both sides. So here we will get, therefore log of L equal to limit x tends to 1 x minus 1 log of x minus 1. So here we have applied the formula log of a raised to b equal to b log a, and hence this term log of x minus 1 raised to x minus 1 has become x minus 1 into log of x minus 1. Now if we will substitute x as 1 over here, then here we will get 1 minus 1, that is 0, and here we will get 1 minus 1 0, and log of 0 is infinity. So we are getting the form 0 into infinity. Now to bring this function in the form numerator upon denominator and to make it a form 0 upon 0 or infinity upon infinity, I will take this x minus 1 term in the denominator. So here in the denominator we will get limit x tends to 1 log of x minus 1 upon 1 upon x minus 1. So here you can say that log of x minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, that is infinity, and here 1 minus 1 0, 1 upon 0 is infinity. So now we are getting the form infinity upon infinity, and hence now we can apply the L'Hopital's rule. So here I will say by L'Hopital's rule we will get log of L equal to limit x tends to 1. Now by L'Hopital's rule we will find derivative of numerator and then derivative of denominator. So the derivative of log of x minus 1 is 1 upon x minus 1, and the derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 is minus 1 upon x minus 1 the whole square. Now this x minus 1 and 1 x minus 1 from here will be cancelled, and this x minus 1 will go in the numerator, and there will get only x minus 1. I will take this minus sign outside. So therefore we will get log of L equal to minus of limit x tends to 1 x minus 1. And now if we will substitute x as 1, then we will get 1 minus 1 0, and that is the finite value of limit. So we will get log of L equal to 0. Now we want value of L, so we have to remove this log from L, and to remove the log I will take base as e on both sides. So therefore on the left hand side we'll get e raised to log of L, and on the right hand side e raised to 0. Now this e and log will be cancelled by the formula e raised to log of x equal to x. So here we'll get, therefore L equal to, and e raised to 0 we all know it is 1, and therefore the value of limit is equal to 1. Thank you.